Our topic is how to add doors on our existing wall panels and existing storefront. How to add doors? It's very simple. First, you will establish where do you want to create the doors, either ground or natural grade level or natural ground level. I go first in the ground level. For example, this is my ground level. Later on, we will discuss how to create the stairs from here, or the stoop, or the landing. Okay, so we will put some doors somewhere around here. Okay, so for example, I go to ground floor level. So the base constraint will be on the my base constraint is on the ground level. Okay, I go to door. So if I click this door, you have M single flash 915 by 2134. So if you expand this part, you have the 762 for the toilets, 8134 2134 for the bedrooms, and for the entrance door is 915 by 2134. This is their standard, so it depends to your municipality or country what is your standard. Okay, so for me, I will use the 915 by 2134. If I click this one, meaning to say that this is M single flash 915 by 2134. If I edit, that's why I'm telling you that in our class that it's just like if you know the procedure or methodology of some commands on how to create walls, so at least you are familiarized in edit type, and then you will edit the structure itself. So you have this part. So this is the function interior. You can click this one and make it exterior. So the door materials is the panel and the frame, door frame, and the thickness of the door is 51 mm. The height is 2134, and the trim projections 25 with 76 trim width, and the width of the door is 915. So you can add some datas around here if this is a molded door or different kind of finishes or materials, or even the manufacturer, you can add this one. And I think even the cost you can add here. So at least, for example, this is how many Omani Real, maybe 20 Omani Real or 30 Omani Real, you can add from here. So in materials takeoff or materials quantity schedule, you can identify how many doors and what will be the cost of your doors. Now, if you don't like this M single flash door 915, there are many types of door that rivet in the family. So you can load it and then apply the door from it. For example, this one is M single flash door. So you can load it. Okay. So we are not using US Imperial. We are using what? US metric. So we click US metric and then find the door family, door folder. If your view is just like list like that, so you cannot, if you are not familiar with the design of the door, you can click this view and click thumbnails. So you will choose a lot of variety of doors here, even overhead and glass or curtain glass panel. Okay, so you can play with this. For example, I will put, since this is a entrance door, so I will click the single M single glass, M single, this one, decorative M single. Okay, to open. Okay, so it will load here. So M single decorative. Okay, and then you will see now it's already loaded. If you expand this part, you will see the sizes. Okay, I click the sizes. If you already load here, definitely you don't need to load it again later on because you already load it in your project. You click here, see, if the orientation, just escape, if the orientation is coming from here and you want it coming from here, just click the door, click the small arrow, and it will change from here. If you want this part swing around here, you see this part, just swing and it will swing around there. Okay, so it's very easy for you to change. Now you can move this one into 2000. Okay, you can play with this one. Okay, so that will be creating doors from that part, no? Even if I go to south elevation, I'm saving it, south elevation, you see my door is already in the base constraint is on the ground floor level, and this is the complete height of the door. So teacher, can I insert a door from here? If you try to insert a door, of course, if I click this door and I put it somewhere around here, definitely it will insert. Okay, delete element, it will insert. If you go to south elevation, it's already inserted. But what is the essence of you are inserting a wooden door on the glass panel storefront? So it's not nice. So we will delete that one, and I will teach you how to insert a door from here, a glass door. Now go to south elevation, okay, but make sure that in your modifying tools, go to select, and select by face is already clicked or checked. Okay, so tick it. Okay, because if I click this one and tick it, if I go here, I cannot select. I'm using the tab tool, I cannot select because it's not select element by face. So I click this part, click, and then I click the tab tool on your keyboard, tab 1. So it's already selected. So you can now insert the glass door. For example, I click the tab tool, tab until you catch or show the blue line around the panel. If I click this part, click, okay, you see, you have noticed that this part is what? Gray or freeze because you are pinned. If you unpin this part, it will become active. So you can edit now, edit, and go load, because we are changing the glass system panel glaze to door, to single swing glass panel door. If I click this one, click load, not in imperial, go up one level, US metric, US metric, go to door and go to M curtain wall single and apply it. Okay, and you will see the door is already inserted in your drawing. Even you go to ground floor level, it's already inserted. You can play with the arrow or the directional part of the door. Now, how to, in your ground floor level, of course, ground, you are in the ground floor level and you are going to the south elevation, and of course this will be frame, but in the bottom I want it frameless, right? So you just click the tab tool, just put your mouse there, okay, tab tool, tab, just click it, unpin it, and delete it, and it will be deleted. So this is the frame, okay, this is the door, and this is the frame, okay, so it's already deleted. So it's just the same as it's just easy as that. So teacher, if I want to insert a door from here, what will I do next? Just put your mouse on the panel, click the tab tool, click it, unpin it, and then it will not unpressed right now. So do I need to edit and load and then go imperial metric and go to doors and M single glass panel? Just what I did before. So nothing changed because this kind of door you already loaded here. Okay, you already loaded here in our project, so no need to load it again, edit type and load it again. For example, this one, tab, click, unpin it, and then you just expand this part, expand, and you see this M curtain wall single glass, so it will be loaded here, there. So I click the tab again, click, unpin, delete, and it will be like that. So is that easy? It's very easy. Even this one, if you want to, for example, this is glass, this is not glass, this is not glass, and this is not glass. 1, 2, 3 are not glass. Go put your mouse there, make sure, put your mouse there, unpin it, 1, and then you can edit this one as a solid. You go drag and then solid 1, and then click this one, tab, unpin it, and then drag solid, and then this one, click, I unpin it already, so becomes solid. Okay, now you can edit this part, no? Edit this part, edit type, the solid part, duplicate. Of course you need to duplicate. For example, this is red. Okay, this is kind of solid red. So from that you can choose the materials from here. Again, from here we duplicate it first, and then next is the materials, the small square there, materials. So for example, I create new materials. Okay, and rename it, for that fin, and then of course this is your finish, number 4. Okay, the appearance of that, we can change this one into what? Go to asset browser, go to library. For example, this is metallic paint, click this one. Maybe this one is a fire brick. Okay, metallic, click. I close this one, I already uploaded it here, and apply. Okay, and then it's already materials finish, number 4. So if I click this one outside, so it's not that visible, but it's already changed. If I click this part, so you can click this part and tab again, just click this one and then go somewhere here, because I already created red, right? And then from here, tab tool again, click again, and then go here, red. So it will change as a panel red. So this one red, glass glaze. So you can play along, you can play with this type of tools. Okay,